Welcome to my channel Fun with Nawab. Today we are going to learn about words starting with letter R. R for rat. R for rabbit. R for rose. R for rain. R for river. R for red. R for radish. R for rocket. R for ring. R for robot. R for ruler. R for rainbow. R for rhino. R for reindeer. R for raspberry. R for raincoat. R for racing car. R for rooster. R for ribbon. R for rock. R for racket. R for radio. R for rectangle. R for room. R for rice. R for remote. R for robin. R for rope. R for rattle. R for raccoon. R for ripe. R for right. R for rest. R for road. R for rye. R for rhubarb. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more educational videos.